So just today we are building this amazing e-commerce app, and like I've telling you, we are just building today e-commerce app, not the e-commerce website. Like previously on in many of the videos, we have just made e-commerce website and we have just learned about many of the things using e-commerce website. But now today I'll be telling you how to build this amazing e-commerce app and how to use React Native to build this amazing e-commerce app and what are the things included in this. So now I will be giving you the demo of this and showing you how we are building this amazing e-commerce site using React Native. So here you will be first of all getting the title. Here we will be getting responsive watches website, and then again after writing this dash you will be getting another title here. Then we are just getting the heading here, you can see. So you can just put here, you can say we are not getting heading here, you can say logo. Here we are getting, and here in this logo you can see we are just getting the watch also, which is in small size here. And at the right we are getting these all navbar menus like home, featured, products, new, and all this stuff which we are getting here. And we are also getting the hover effect on these all menus which we have written. Then at the right side we are getting the dark and light mode as well. You can change your uh, you can see you can change your theme to light or dark mode if you want to change. And if you want light mode, so you can do it to light. If you want dark mode, you can do that to dark. And then at the right we are also getting the store button, or you can say add to cart. You can just see we are getting the products in our cart. You can also just increase the product, and if you want to go to checkout you can also do that. And then down we are just getting that title here, like new watch collection B720. You can put any of the other name as well you want to put. Then down we are getting some paragraph about it and the price of this here. And after getting the price we are getting the button of discover and add to cart. And at the left side we are just also getting these all stuff like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram pages. You can say the hover effects we are getting on this, which is looking awesome. Then down if I move, at the right side you can also see we are getting an amazing image of the watch. Then if I move at the down, you can see we are getting the featured. And in featured we are getting these some of the watches here which I've put, like Jazzmaster, Ingersoll, Rose Gold, and all these watches which you want to put here. You can put that. You can also press add to cart button to just put it into your cart. We are also getting the price of every, you can say, watch we are getting here. You can also see that it is on sale, so you can purchase it. Then move down, here we are getting our story. And in our story we are just getting inspirational watch of this year. You can learn about this watch by reading this paragraph, and you can press discover button to discover more about this watch. You can also see at the left image of this watch which is looking awesome. Then again if I move down, you will be getting different images of the watch with the different names and different prices. If you want to add it to your cart, so you can press this add to cart button to add it into your cart, so your product will be added here. So you can see now this product will be adding if you will be adding it to your cart here. You can also see the price total which you will be getting after adding it to your cart. Then if I move down, we are just also getting the testimonial reviews about the watch, you can also see. And you will be also seeing the date, on which date user has written this paragraph about the watch, and who has written this profile picture of the user, and who is this user uh, who has purchased this watch. You will be also getting the profession of that. And you can also see there are many of the, you can say, testimonials who have just purchased this watch. And you can also see this is the best watches they have written, and this is having a beautiful design and on this watch, and all these things you can read about that. Then you will be getting new arrivals of the watches here. You can see same watches I have put, but I have just changed it to new arrivals here. You can also just put same image, or if you want to do different things, you can also put different images as well with the different prices here. I've written different prices with the different products and different images on new arrivals. Then if I move down, we are just getting subscribe our newsletter. Like if you like this website, and if you have purchased many things from this website and you just love this website, so you can press you can enter your email and you can subscribe their newsletter. Then at the down we are in the footer section, we are getting the information of that. Like you can say footer section we are getting, in which we are getting the name, address, about us, support center, customer support, about us. And then copyright section we are getting. Then you can also see the products you will be getting, like road bikes, mountain bikes, electric accessories, and all this stuff. Then in social you will be getting some of the social pages of that. You can link it with your own pages, like when you'll be pressing, so you can move on to that pages which you have linked here, like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram page you will be getting. And then if I just press this go to top button, so you can also just directly go to the top by using this go to top button. So this is our amazing responsive watches website which we are building, and we will be just now using e-commerce. We are just using React React Native to build this amazing e-commerce app here. So just now we'll be starting with our video, but before that you have to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just learn my all the future coming up videos. You can also check my previous videos which I have uploaded, because that will also giving you help, and just also share this video so more people can learn about these things. So just I'll be starting with our project and seeing how to build this amazing e-commerce app using React Native. Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have just done many of the things using many other stuff, like we have just used React 18 to build many of the different projects. We have just used like you can say many other things of React 18, like we have just combined the stuff, and then we have built also a project using React 18. We have also used transition hooks and many other things to work with React 18. So today video will be also really special. Today we are not working with React 18, like you all know that when I was uploading these React 18 videos, and after uploading these videos I am also uploading a big video. So today we are doing that big video, and this video will be really different, because previously on we were working on e-commerce. Today also we will be working on e-commerce, but we will be not making any of the e-commerce website using Next.js or like that languages. We will be using React Native today, and we will be building an amazing e-commerce app, not website. Today I will be telling you how to build an amazing full stack e-commerce app using React Native from start, and I'll be telling you how we'll be just including things in that, what design we will be putting, what templates we will be putting, and all the stuff which you need to learn about React with React Native, and how to put that all stuff in React Native. So just this video will be really helpful. Remember to see this video from start to end if you want to learn how to just build this amazing project, and if you want to see more videos like that, so remember to hit a like to this video, and also remember to hit subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the future coming up videos which should be really helpful for you. So just now we'll be starting with our video, and just I'll be telling you how to build this amazing project of e-commerce app using React Native and other languages of server side of React Native. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing website. You can say we are building an amazing app using React Native, and just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing e-commerce app using React Native. So for building this app, here I will be opening my VS Code. Like previously on, we were working with this text editor. Now I will be moving to my desktop, and this is my folder of e-commerce app which we will be using today. These are the files. So here I will be removing all these files here, because here we will be not needing of these files. So here I will be moving down, and then I will be just now removing these all files from here. Then after removing these all files, just you have to give space. Then I will be now just writing here responsive, removing this responsive from here. Then you have to give the title as e-commerce app, like this. So here I will be writing e-commerce app. Save this. Then you have to open it in your default Google Chrome browser, and there it is. So here if I show you, you can see we are getting Google Chrome browser. Do it side by side. Then here coding side should be bigger, Control B you have to press. Then when you've written all this stuff, here I will be now closing the file explorer from here. Then after closing the file explorer, you have to move down. Right here header, here I will be writing class header. Right here id header. So simply here I will be now writing header. Then right here nav. So simply you have to write here nav class. Then I will be writing nav container, like this. Then you have to write here a tag class, and in a tag here I will be writing nav logo. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing I tag, and here you have to write class which should be bxs dash watch. Then I will be writing here nav logo. Then I will be writing icon. Then you have to now just move after this tag, right here Rolex, like this. Then I will be now moving down. Right here div class, here I will be writing nav menu. So when you've written this, here I will be now writing nav menu again. So here I will be now writing this tag. Here I will be moving down. Right here ul class. Then I will be writing here nav list. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing. Then you have to just write here li tag, right here class nav item. So here I will be writing. Then you have to write here a tag, write hashtag home. Then right here class nav link. Then I will be now writing active link, like this. Then right here home. Then when you've written this, here I will be copying this tag directly from here. Then paste it, paste it, paste it. Here I will be moving. Then I will be writing here featured, and then you have to move here after this. Then right here featured as well, like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing products here. So here I will be writing products. Then you have to now move here, right here products. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing new. So when you've written this new, here you have to move and then write here new as well. Save this, then you have to reload. So you can see we are getting this logo here, and then when you are getting this, just I'll be writing div class and write here nav, and after writing nav, here I'll be writing close, right here id nav close. Then when you've written this thing, just here I'll be writing itag class bx, then here I will be writing bx dash x. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing div class nav btns, then I will be now writing itag class right here bx dash moon, then I will be writing change theme like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing id right here theme button. Then when you've written this, here you have to now move down, right here div class, and then I will be writing nav shop like this. Then after writing here, you have to write cart and then right here shop. So simply here I will be writing cart shop like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing itag class bx, then I will be writing bx shopping bag. So here I will be now writing bx shopping bag like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving right here div class, and after writing here you have to write nav toggle. Then you have to now just write here id, here you have to write nav toggle like this. Then here I will be writing itag class bx dash grid, then I will be writing alt. Here you have to move after header tag, right here div class cart, right here id, and in id here I will be writing cart. Then you have to write here itag class, right bx dash x, then I will be writing cart close like this. Then here I will be writing id cart, then I will be writing here close. Then you have to write here h2 class, then I will be writing here cart title, then I will be now writing here center. Here you have to now just write here my cart like this. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be moving down, right here div class, then I will be writing here cart container, then I will be now moving right here article, right here class cart card like this. Then here I will be writing div class card box. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing image ss slash, then here I will be writing image slash featured one.png, then right here class cart image. So here I will be writing this. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be writing div class, and here you have to write cart details. Then you have to write here h3 class, then I will be writing cart title, and here after writing this, just you have to write here jazz master. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing a span class, then I will be writing cart price, and here I will be now writing 10. So here I will be writing 50. Save this, reload. Now here if I just show you, you will be seeing that nothing is coming here, because here we have to first of all make the whole thing. So here I will be moving down, right here div class, then I will be writing cart amount, then I will be moving down after this tag. Here you have to write div class cart. So here I will be now writing cart underscore amount like this. Then when you've written this, just you have to write here div class, Control Z you have to press. Then here after this cart amount, here I will be now writing cart amount dash content. Then you have to just move down, right here spend tag class, then I will be writing here cart amount, then I will be writing dash box. Here when you've written this, just you have to move down, right here itag class bx, and then when you've written this, here I will be writing bx minus. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing a spend tag, then I will be writing here class which will be cart amount, then I will be writing here number, and here you have to write here 1. Then when you've written this, here you have to now write 1, move down, right here is spend tag class like this. Then in class I will be writing cart amount, then I will be now writing here box. Here you have to move down, right here itag, and after writing itag you have to write class bx dash plus. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just giving a space from here, and after just doing these all things, here I will be now moving down after this tag, right here itag class bx dash trash. Then I will be now writing alt cart, then I will be writing here amount trash Then when you've written this, here you have to write article tag, write class which should be card. Then I will be writing div class, then I will be writing card box. Here you have to move down, right here image ss slash, then I will be writing image slash feature 3. Then I will be now just writing here class card image. Then when you've written this, just you have to write here div class, write here card details. Then I will be writing here h3 class, then I will be writing here card title, and here you have to now write rose gold like this. And when you've written this, write here spend tag class card price. Then I will be now writing here 850. Then you have to just move down, write here div class, then I will be writing here card amount. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing div class, write here card amount, then write here content. Then you have to move down, write here spend tag, and after writing spend tag you have to write class card amount. Then I will be writing here box. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing I tag class bx dash minus. Then when you've written this thing, just here you have to now move down, right here spend class card. So here I will be writing card amount, then I will be writing here number 1. Then when you've written this, just you have to save, then reload. So here now when you are just getting these all stuff, here I will be moving down and right here spend class, and after writing class I will be writing card amount dash box. Then I will be moving down, right here I tag class, and here I will be writing bx dash plus. Here you have to now just move down, right here I tag class, right here bx trash. Then I will be writing here alt cart, then I will be writing here amount trash. So here I will be writing, then here I will be writing article. Here you have to write class, then I will be now writing card. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down, and after moving down just write here div class, write here cart, and then write here box. When you've written this, just you have to now write here image assist, then write here slash image, then I will be writing slash new one. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing class card, then I will be writing here image. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing div class, then I will be writing card details. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing h3, write here class which will be card underscore title like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing longiness, then I will be writing here rows. These are the products name which I am writing here. Then I will be writing spend class card price. So here I will be now writing. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing 980 like this. Now when you've written this thing, just here I will be doing one thing, like I will be moving under this spend tag, right here div class, then I will be writing here cart amount like this, then right here div class, and in class I will be writing cart amount, then I will be writing here content. Then you have to write here spend tag, right here class which should be cart amount, then I will be writing here box, then right here I tag class bx minus. So here I will be writing, then after writing this, here I will be moving down, right here spend tag, then I will be writing here class, and in class I will be now writing card amount dash number. Here you have to write 1. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, right here spend class, then I will be writing card amount. So here I will be writing dash, then I will be writing box. Here you have to write I tag class bx dash plus, then I will be now writing here I tag class, then I will be writing bx trash, then here I will be now just writing alt cart amount, then I will be now just moving here and then right here trash. Then when you've written this, just you have to give a space, then I will be now writing div class, here you have to write cart prices, then I will be now just writing here spend tag, and then right here class, here you have to write cart price this dash item, then right here 3 items like this. Then when you've written this, just you have to move down after this tag, then right here spend tag class, then I will be writing cart prices dash item, then I will be writing 280. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing main, and then when you've written this, here I will be writing class main, then right here section class, Here I will be writing home, write id home. Then I will be writing div class, and then right here home container grid. Then I will be now just moving, giving a space. Then here you have to move down, right here div class, pg. Then here you have to write ss slash, then I will be writing image home.png, right here class, and then right here home image. Then right here div class, right here home social. So here I will be writing, then when you've written this, here I will be writing a tag, right, https:/www.facebook. Then here I will be writing .com/ right here target _ blank. Then I will be writing here like this. Then write class, which should be like home social. So here I will be now writing link like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing Facebook. Save this. Then here you have to move, then you have to now copy this, paste it here, and then paste it here. Just you have to now do one thing, like here I will be now writing Instagram like this. Here I will be now just writing Twitter, so write like this. Then here also I will be doing same thing like Twitter. Then you have to move here and then right here Instagram. Save, then reload. So you can see now we are getting this thing. If I show you like this, so when you are getting these all things, here I will be doing one thing, I will be moving down, right here div class home data. Then I will be just now writing here h1 class, right here home title. So here I will be writing, then when you've written this, here I will be writing new watch, and here you have to write VR tag, right, collection, then right here B720. Then you have to move down, and after moving down, just you have to write p tag class. Here I will be writing home description. So here I will be writing, then right here latest arrival. Then I will be writing of the new imported watches. Then I will be writing of the B720. Then here I will be writing series like this. Then right here with a modern and resistant. And here when you've written this, just I will be writing design. And when you've written this thing, just here I will be writing spend tag class, right here home price. And then after writing home price, just I will be writing 1245. Then here I will be just now moving down, right here div class home. There I will be writing here btns. So here I will be now just writing, here I will be writing a tag class. Then I will be writing here button, right here gray. Then I will be now writing here button dash small. Then when you've written this, or you can say as small, then here I will be just now moving down, right here discover. Then when you've written this, here I will be just now moving down, right here button and write class, which should be like button home. Then I will be writing here button. Here you have to write add to cart. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down after this tag. Then right here section, right class, which should be like featured. Then I'll be writing here section container, and then right here id is equals to right featured. Then you have to write h2 class. Then I will be writing section title. Here I will be just writing here featured. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, and then right here div class, and here I will be writing featured. And here you have to write dash container. And when you've written this, just I will be writing here grid. Here you have to write article, and in article I will be writing class, which will be like featured. And here I will be now writing card. Here you have to write spend tag class. Then I will be writing here featured. So here I will be now writing featured tag. Then I will be writing here sale. Now you have to just move down, right here image ss/image. Then I will be writing here featured one.png. Then you have to write here class featured underscore image. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, right here div class featured. And then when you've written this, just here I will be writing data. Then after writing this, here you have to now write here h3 class, right here featured, and then right here featured title. Then when you've written this, here you have to write jazz master. Then here I will be writing a spend tag, right class which should be like featured. Then I will be writing here price, and here I will be writing 1050, right here button. And after writing button you have to write class which should be like button featured. So here I will be writing, then I will be writing here button. Then I will be now just writing in this button add to cart. Here you have to write article class which will be featured card. Then I will be now writing spend tag class. Here I will be writing featured tag. Then here you have to write sale. Then you have to move down right here image. Then here I will be writing assist image featured 2.png. Then here you have to write class, right here featured. Then I will be writing here image. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing div class, right here featured data. Then I will be writing here h3, right class which should be featured title. Then I will be now just writing here Ingersoll. Then you have to just move down right here spend tag, and after writing spend tag you have to write class featured price. Then I will be now writing here $250. Then here I will be writing button class, and after writing class here I will be now just writing here button featured. Then I will be writing here button, right here add to cart, like this. Then here you have to now just move down right here article class, right here featured tag card. Then I will be now just moving down. After moving down right here spend tag class, right here featured tag. Then I will be now just writing here sale, like this. Then after writing here you have to move down right here image assist slash image. Then I will be writing featured 3.png, right here class which should be featured image. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing div class. Then I will be writing featured data. Then I will be writing here h3 class. Then I will be now writing here featured, so here I will be writing featured title. Then right here rose gold. Then move down right here span class, and after writing span class right here featured price. Then I will be now writing here 890. Then right here button, so simply here I will be writing button, and right here class, and then I will be writing button featured. Then I will be now just writing here button, right here add to cart. Then I will be now just moving down right here section class story. Then I will be writing section container. Then here I will be writing div class story. Then I will be now writing here container grid. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing div class story. Then here I will be writing data. Here you have to now write h2 class section, so here I will be writing section. Then here I will be writing title story. Then right here section title. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing our story, like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down right here h1 class, right here story, and then right here description, like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing here story title first of all, so here I will be writing. Then right here inspirational, so here I will be writing inspirational, like this. Then I will be writing watch of VR. Then here I will be writing this here, so here I will be writing. Then right here p tag class, right here story description. Then I will be moving down right here the latest and modern watches of the year. Then I will be writing is available. Then I will be writing in various, so here I will be writing in various, like this. Then I will be writing presentations. Then I will be writing in this store. Here I will be writing discover them now. Then you have to write here a tag, right class which should be button. Then here I will be writing small, right here discover, so simply here I will be writing. Then when you've written this, here I will be just moving down right here div class story. Here I will be writing images. image ss / story. Then here I will be writing .png. Then here when you've written this, just here I will be writing .png. Right here class which will be story. Then right here image. And when you've written this, just here I will be writing div class story. Then here you have to write square like this. So here I will be writing save. Then you have to reload here, and after reloading, if I show you, you can see we are getting all this thing here. Then if I just show you, we can also change it into light or dark mode as well. You can see it is working and it is looking totally awesome. So here like this you can work with, and we are just getting our totally amazing e-commerce app. If I show you here, so this is the e-commerce app which we have built using React Native. So because of that it is responsive also, and it is looking awesome, you can see. So this was the simple app which we have built using React Native, and I hope you understand how we have built from start. If you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the future coming up videos. So just tell me meet you next project. So for today, goodbye.